making tonight is it's really going to be like a, see there, I got this recipe offline, or actually off Facebook, but we're going to make it and it's going to kind of replace chicken and dumplings, and it is. Okay, what we're going to do is you can see all the ingredients that we're going to put in it. We got, actually it calls for a cup of milk. We don't have any milk, so we're using buttermilk. We had to choose between that and canned. We thought we'd use buttermilk. It calls for 1 stick of butter, can of cream of chicken soup, can of chicken broth, and I kept my broth off of my canned chicken. And you can use rotisserie chicken or canned chicken. I chose to use canned because I'm not at Walmart to get no rotisserie. Also, it calls for a cup of flour and salt and pepper. Okay, set your oven's going to be at 375. But now our oven does better. You put it at 375, but ours does better at 350, so you need to change that. But it calls for 375, but 350 works better so far for all my stuff that I've done. Okay, I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm gonna melt this butter in the microwave. I'll be right back with you. Okay, we're ready for our butter. We're gonna, you melted it. We're gonna pour it evenly as we can over our chicken, but we don't stir it. This recipe is not stirred at all. Okay. Next, we're going to take our milk, pour it in the bowl, and our flour, and you're going to kind of whisk this where it'll be and buttermilk. It don't want to. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to that because that buttermilk didn't want to do like regular milk does. So, because it's supposed to be a pouring consistency. A little bit more. Okay, now I think it's going to be okay. It ain't lumpy or anything, so what you're going to do is pour this over. Just let it drop lump like it's lumping. Go ahead and let it do it. I don't know about you, but it makes me want to stir it. But I'm not. Just find the places that you feel like it didn't get in as much. Okay, that's about as much as you can do it. When it warms up, it'll distribute across it. Oh, you're gonna keep this bowl. You're going to pour the soup in here. It takes 2 cups of this, but I believe the 1 can is probably going to be enough. How many ounces are in that? 14.5. We got a little bit more if we need it. Now we're going to take our soup. Try to get all of it out. I put a little water in it to get all of it out. Okay. Now you're going to do the same thing. You're going to whisk that. But now this is going to be a little super than your flour and your milk. But you want to get those lumps out of the chicken soup. Okay, before we go any further, we're going to salt and pepper. The butter's salty.
I wouldn't salt it too much.
You wouldn't salt it too much?
No, you got salty soup.
Yep.
Got salty soup, broth and everything. Probably already salted. Get that pepper on it.
Okay. Okay, you're going to take this and pour over it. There you go.
Voila.
You don't stir it or anything. You're going to put it in your, like you got it in your baking dish. You're going to bake it for 45 minutes. You don't have to cover it. It says bake uncovered.
Oh, we'll
and
see.
Yeah, we'll see you when
We'll see you in 45 minutes. Me and Mama forget to film. We get started eating so fast when we're doing a cooking video. Especially if it's good, we forget to film it. Because we hungry. We go to cooking, we cooking us something to eat.
You know what I'm going to do next time?
Hold on, man, what?
I'm going to put boiled eggs in it.
Put boiled, just crack eggs. You're not going to...
Ain't won't that make it good?
Oh, yeah, put cracked eggs in it. That's ideal. Well, there's our bowl of chicken and dumplings. Now, you talk about good. It tastes just like chicken and dumplings. It's the first time Mama ever made chicken and dumplings in a pan like this. The way she made it. But it tastes just like dumplings. She going to crack some eggs in it next time. It's good. Y'all try that. We'll show it to you. I'm beating to eat and enjoy this. Lord bless our bodies. Keep us ready to go. Let us be ready when you come and call for us. In Christ's name we pray, amen. See Mama's soup cozy she made? She got that chicken and dumplings, hot chicken and dumplings, in that soup cozy where she don't burn her lap while she's eating.
Well, I made this journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Maps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.